Hey guys, I just wanted to kind of hop on and say hi, and I've got a brand new box that I want to show you. It is down there. There's the pink box. I just got it, and I want to show it to you guys, all the great things in it, because it's all the favorites. So let's go check it out. Let's see what's inside this pink box. All right. I haven't even opened yet, I swear. I want to show you guys all in person what comes in it. First, talks about sharing the opportunity, and I wanted to share it with you guys because I love this business. It's been so fun. There's so many amazing things right now. One of them includes that you can join my team for only $1. That's what's so awesome about our company, is that they want to make sure that you can get off to a good start. You join our business, you join our company, and you instantly get access to our back office. You can place orders, you can do all kinds of things. You can even get 40% off as a consultant, and that's going to be a special order item that we'll walk through. I would love to share it with you and show you guys all the fun things about being a consultant. So contact me, message me if you're ready to try it out. And also you can join for $99 and get this amazing box of stuff. There's 2 different color options that you can get, and you get what's described in the kit. So actually I'm gonna pull out my pink box because it's all packaged up into one big thing. First we've got the Top Tote. And this one, I don't know if you guys have known, so the large utility tote is our #1 selling product. And this is the top that goes on it. It's clear so you can kind of see what's going on, and then the handles go through the sides, and then it's got elastic on the corners to keep it on and nice and secure. All right, pulling out the large utility tote. All right, guys, how pretty, the dandelion, how pretty is this? It says, I love 31 in our coral color. Now we've had this coral color around for a while. It's been one of our personalization options when you want to put text on it or any kind of icon. You could use that coral pink color. Now it's coming full life. We got it in our purses. We've got it in all kinds of things. I am loving orange. I love orange. Orange was the flower color at my wedding. So I'm just super excited to get all this stuff. I actually just went and ordered a tons of funds because I have some trips coming up, and that's my perfect purse go to go when I travel, because I can keep my ID in there, I can keep my phone, I can keep whatever cards. I don't need a lot of cards when I'm traveling around, but it holds just enough, and I can get my keys in there and keep it all organized. So this is a large utility tote in a brand new dandelion print. How pretty is that? And we got to learn at conference all about dandelions and just kind of perspective of looking at a whole field of dandelions versus looking at one dandelion. And just thinking about our perspective and how we look at things, and do we get up close and really examine them, or do we look at it from far away? So that was just a neat opportunity and neat meaning behind our new pattern, the dandelions. Okay, so reaching in, what else do we got? We got the fold and file. I just reorganized my husband's office with the fold and files. He was needing to just get all his paperwork, all and stuff in order. So this has, and look at this, it's more masculine color. It's our charcoal cross stitch, our #1 selling print, because it's so versatile. And then you've got these 2 pockets there. So it's great for on top of the desk and be able to keep yourself organized. Okay, another one. This is the best gift I always come up with for people, because you can personalize it and make it unique to who you're getting it for. And it's something they can always use, is a pillow. So you get a pillowcase in your enrollment kit. And this one says, Our Sisterhood. And it says, Celebrate, Encourage, Reward. And it has lots of different phrases on it throughout the hearts. So you can actually get this as well as a customer and personalize up to 8 hearts, I believe. 4 to 8 hearts. So you can put whatever you want in those hearts, and then what you want in the center. So that's a cute gift for any of your family members or any of your friends. Okay. We've got another one with the dandelion. This is our cinch sack. I get these for all of my kids because it's just so easy to be able to put on their backs. You can actually go in and shorten the string, and just, you can tie it tighter. So that way when we've got the little ones, like I've got the 3-year-old and 5-year-old, I can put it on their backs and they can carry their own stuff. But what a cute one with the dandelion. So pretty. And then you can put initials with this dandelion. This is a new icon that we have. All right, another one of our favorites is our thermal tote. Also, who likes to take their lunch to work, carry it around, maybe carry some snacks around? This is a great one. I love this one, and everybody really wants this one. Everybody is asking for this one whenever they want to carry their lunch to work or to school. Maybe they're a teacher. This is the best one. Hi, Jen Perry. And this one says refuel on it, and this is our new Diddy Dot print with our dandelion print. How pretty does that go with like, you've got kind of the more wispy in the back, and then you've got the more straight cut, clean cut in the front. All right. Another one of our Diddy Dots, and this is another one of my personal favorites, is our Double Duty Caddy. I use this all the time. Yeah, the dimensions on that thermal tote are great because they're for, you can stick it inside your bag, you can carry it around. It's got a little handle on it, but you can also get it inside your big bags when you're carrying all your stuff to work. Okay, this is our Double Duty Caddy. It can also be personalized. Look in the Diddy Dot, look how pretty that is. I just think it's so classic looking. Black and white, it's gonna match all your decor, all your areas. I use this everywhere. I use this next to my bed, in my bathroom, in my kitchen where we do our drop-off locations. In my bags, when I want them to be a little bit sturdier, I'll stick this in. When I'm going to the beach or the pool, I'll totally carry it so I can have my drink and phone and keep all my books and everything. This is my stuff when I carry all my kids' stuff. So also when I am drinking, I'm trying to drink a lot of water during the day, I'll stick my different cups in here to have that with me all day long. Okay, we've got our mini zipper pouch. So if you want to keep that purse nice and organized, you want to keep maybe your beauty bag nice and organized, this is our mini zipper pouch. It says my why. Because we always talk about why would you join? Why do you do this business? Why do you do your job? Why do you, what's your purpose in your day? What are you wanting out of your day? Think about your why, and that's going to add so much more intention to your day. I had another couple of uses for the mini zipper pouch too, where, I use these in my beauty bags when I'm going around. It says beach hair don't care and sparkling eyes and glistening teeth. That way when I get to the hotel, I can have my stuff nice and organized. It's separate. I can put it away underneath because I'm usually sharing a hotel room with other fun girls, which I love, but I like to be able to keep it off the counter so that we all have space. And so just a fun way is these mini zipper pouches to keep all your little things organized and ready to go. Okay, we've got the wallet. Now, I know you guys love this wallet. I know if you're my customer, you have one of these because this is my #1 all-time favorite. I have actually always looked for a really strong wallet to have, and I've always searched high and low for something that would hold my checkbook and all my credit cards or all those little cards that you get from stores or your insurance cards, all those things. What about your zipper pocket for change? What about a pen? What about your phone? How about all of that fits inside of our Benjamin's wallet? You even can put your phone or your checkbook back here, and you can get your receipts, your cash, and even more of those extra little cards back there. Plus you have all those slots for cards and all these slots for cards and then a spot for your ID. So I love this one, and guess what? It's in coral. I'm so excited about this one. This is going to be my go-to wallet. I'm getting the matching tons of funds for when I'm traveling, but it's great, and it also comes with a wristlet. And all of our wallets and our mini zipper pouches have the little spot to put. This is our wristlet strap. It actually unsnaps, snaps back in, and then you can attach it on the end where this little loop is. So there's a great spot, so then you can use it as a wristlet. You can use it to carry around when you want to just bring your wallet with you. You can even turn our tons of funds into a wristlet as well with one of these wristlet straps. All right, the last one in my bag. Oh, no, I got 2 more. This one is our Zip Top Organizing Tote. And this one's in that Diddy Dot again. This is our #2 best-selling product. It's a great one for... I really like to be able to organize on the outside. I used this on my last flight because it's so nice to be able to stick stuff on the outside. It sat really nicely on top of my bag and underneath the seat in front of me. It was perfect because all my books were sitting right there. They were all organized, standing upright. I could get my wallet and my purse and other things inside it as well, but I could zip it all closed and carry it with me. You can also personalize it right here, make it super cute with whatever your monogram, or maybe you want that dandelion on it, something like that. All right, my last one is a brand new product that I know you guys have been asking for and I know you're gonna love. So this is our new Retro Metro crossbody, okay? It will adjust for length, but I know you guys love our Retro Metro line, how it's just a casual way to carry things around. And this has kind of been what I've been looking for because I love our Retro Metro fold over, which is right here, because when I'm carrying a lot of stuff, I can actually get it on my shoulder or wear it crossbody, but it is folded over. So, you know, sometimes I don't want to go into it and unfold it. When I'm carrying a lot of things and on my shoulder, I love it. But this one is gonna hold a little bit less and, but still be crossbody, hands-free, and I can get right into it. So it's kind of like our smaller Retro Metro bag, but it's crossbody and it's got a snap on top. And then you have our standard in all our bags is a zipper pocket. And then you've got 2 flat pockets on that. So a great way to just be casual, run around, be able to keep all your stuff on you, but be hands-free and chase your kids, because that's what I'm usually doing. All right, thanks for joining me. Hi guys, glad you could stop by, and let me know which product is your favorite. I want to hear about it and hear why you love it. If you love the new prints, maybe you love the new products, maybe you love the new icons, let me know. I can't wait to hear from you. All right, bye guys.